Hello everyone, this is Ying from Wuhu Deli Foods. Today I teach you to do fruit honey tea. You can see we use our honey, lemon, passion fruit. First with the lemon. Wipe the water of the lemon. Cut the lemon. Lemon whitening, lose weight. Remove the seeds. Put in a bowl. Now it's okay. Now we cut the passion fruit. Passion fruit, the king of fruit. Rich in vitamins A, B, and vitamins C. Take out the passion fruit. Put in a bowl. Or sit. Now we prepare a clip cover glass jar. This glass jar pour honey is 900 grams. Our materials are ready: rock sugar, lemon, and passion fruit. Our natural seeded honey, taste and smells are great. There is a large bottle. This bottle is 1 kg. Now all is ready. A layer of lemon. A layer of passion fruit. Now use our seasoned honey. This bottle packed honey is 500 grams. This glass bottle is the very popular squeezing bottle. You can see. And this bottle is very convenient and easy to pour honey. A layer of rock sugar. A layer of honey repeat. The squeezing bottle honey is very popular in the Southeast Asian market and the Japanese market. Then a layer of lemon. Finally, capped with our natural honey. Now our passion fruit, lemon, and honey tea has been finished. Smells great.